what is called an exosome. Now, for you to understand what exosome is, for somebody to execute a work, we'll have to communicate with them. So we tell them in a language that they understand, right? So if I want someone to move a pen in the table, let's say they understand only Tamil, then I have to tell them in Tamil that please move this pen in Tamil so that they do that job. Similarly, between two cells, there needs to be a communication for some cell to do their function. And this communication is done through nano-sized particles which are called exosomes. So the exosomes actually carry proteins, lipids, mRNA, microRNA, all of this carried by these nanoproteins from one cell to another cell to make this cell do the job. So it's a communication. And this could also be nothing but eventually when they communicate, they'll have to produce the growth factors, and only when the growth factors are produced that eventual work is being done. So even between exosomes, only thing is, if the communication is right, probably the cell itself will produce more growth factors and does the job well. So this is the difference between an exosome and a GFC. So GFC is you're putting the final product that should do the job, whereas exosome, you're sending the communication to produce that growth factor concentrates to do the job.